Kung may bad news, meron din tayong good news, ano? Sa lahat ng mga kawani ng gobyerno, meron akong Administrative Order number 27 na bigyan ang lahat ng kawani ng gobyerno ng SRI or the Service Recognition Incentive. Tingnan ho natin dito. Nandito ang Administrative Order number 27 entitled Authorizing the Grant of Service Recognition Incentive to Government Employees for Fiscal Year 2024. So, ayan ho, may yung mga bases. Then here, therefore, I, Ferdinand Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, by virtue of our, so, ito na hong hinihintay natin, 20,000. The order authorizes the grant of one-time service recognition incentive at a uniform rate. So, pantay lahat ng mga kawani ng gobyerno, ano man ang posisyon mo, of 20,000 for each of the following personnel in the executive branch. So, kasali ho dito yung Department of Education or DepEd. Kaya congratulations teachers, malinaw-linaw na magkakaroon at saka merong SRI this December. Okay, so yung mga bigyan ng SRI, na dito ho, Civilian Personnel, National Government, yan ho sila. Military, Armed Forces of the Philippines, etc. Lahat ng mga nasa executive branch. Pakibasa na lang ho, andyan ho. Okay? So, kailan ba to i-release? Oh, wait. Yung sa length of service, kapag 3 months but less than 4 months, 40%. 2 months, less than 3 months, 30%. 1 month, 20%. Less than 1 month. Meron ding SRI of 10%. Kailan ba ito i-release? Nandito ho din yan. Let's go down. So, dito, tingnan ho natin dito. The payment, dito section 9, payment date. The payment of the SRI to all qualified government employees shall be made not earlier than the 15th of December 2024. So, maghintay na lang ho dito kapag ang DBM magsabi na okay na to. So, meron namang matatanggap ang ating mga kaguruan. Alright? So, hintay-hintay lang ho tayo. Today is December 14. So, probably, linggo bukas. So, next week, baka meron na kayo matatanggap na SRI. Congratulations at saka Merry Christmas sa lahat. Magandang araw.